Hey guys, I am Deb and in this video I will show you how to do Star Wars manipulation only in Snapseed. So this will become a bit tricky for those who have started editing recently in Snapseed. So watch till end step by step, you will get it 100%. And before starting my tutorial, I want to say that if you like this after watching, please give a like and subscribe my channel to get more manipulation ideas and tutorials. Okay, let's start. Okay, after opening the app, select a black background and then go to double exposure. Well, now choose the image of yours, but this image should be PNG type. However, I will choose two PNGs here of mine and one of my friend. And then make the opacity full. Then after adding the PNG, tap on the top layered button or icon, whatever. Then go to view edits, tap on the double exposure, tap on the brush icon, and just simply apply some brush by making the double exposure full 100. But the brush I will put on some parts to make a shadow effect, so let's do it. Now I will choose another one, as I have said earlier. And again make the opacity full. Tap on the top layered button or icon. Tap on the view edits. Then go to double exposure. Put some brush again. Again I will apply the brush on some parts only to make the shadow. So after that, to make the shadow more visible, go to brush, then go to dodge and burn and make the brush of dodge and burn -10. Okay. Then to put the saber in the hands, go to double exposure again. Select the PNGs of sabers. Make the opacity full. Then go to view edits. Make the double exposure full 100. Similarly again. Make the opacity full. Go to view edits again. Tap on the double exposure. Make the double exposure full 100. So to make the reflection of lights, go to white balance, make the temperature low, So to make the blue reflection which is coming from blue saber, put some brush. Now I will adjust according to me where I should give more reflection and where I shouldn't, and I will erase some parts of reflections where I had given more reflections. Okay, to make the red reflection, go to curves, select the red dot and rise the mid-tone. Then go to view edits, tap on the curves, so after doing that, to make the more reflection, go to white balance again and then make the temperature low. Then go to layered icon, tap on the view edits, then tap on the white balance, then add some brush, making the white balance 100. Now make the brush of white balance according to your adjustments. To make the bit more reflection, go to curves again, then go to view edits, tap on the curves. Now again apply some curves brush. So now to make a foggy atmosphere, add a fog PNG. To add the PNG, go to double exposure again and add the PNG. Now select the light one. Then go to view edits, tap on the double exposure. Then again go to double exposure, again put some fog. Go to view edits, tap on the double exposure. Then go to curves, go to luminance, here I select the soft contrast presets of curves, then go to view edits, now to make a foggy glow, go to curves, now select the red one, now increase the mid-tone slightly, now visit the view edits and select the curves there. Then again go to curves, now select the blue one. Then go to view edits again, select the curves, Now to give some faded texture, go to curves. Now from there select the faded curve presets. Go to view edits. Now lower the curve brush up to 25 and apply everywhere. So now select the face of Darth Vader. Go to double exposure. And add it here. Now don't make the opacity full, just keep it slightly more than medium. Go to view edits, then double exposure, then tap on the brush icon. Lower the double exposure up to 25. Then you will adjust according to you. Now go to brush icon, select the dodge and burn, lower the dodge and burn up to -5. Now put some shadow effects. Now go to exposure, lower the exposure -3. Now go to curves. Now go to presets of curves and from there select the dark preset. Now go to view edits, tap on the curves. Now increase the curves up to 50. Now go to tune image and just do some adjustments. Now go to glamour glow and select the number 2 effect. Now go to view edits, tap on the glamour glow. Now lower the brush of glamour glow up to 25. Now apply everywhere. Here the manipulation has finished. Now just simply export it.